So what do you do when the video you're watching has the good stuff in the middle or the end? How do you get to that point in it? And what are some tips and tricks to get to the good stuff in the video? Stay tuned and find out. I watch lots of painting tutorials and they are awesome, but sometimes I need to slow them down or I need to speed them up. So I had to figure out a way I can make YouTube work for me and help me learn and grow. So as you can see, I did a screenshot of the little gear that's at the bottom of every video. If you click that little gear, it gives you some great options. You can change the speed and the resolution of the video you're watching. I think that's just pure awesomeness. I mean, I love to watch people painting, but sometimes I just need to get to the meat of the video, and I think this is a great option. So here's an example. If I clicked on that gear, this is what will pop up, and you can see all the options, and then you can change the speed. It's really just that easy. As a creator and also as a lover of watching other people create videos, there are some times where you have to jump ahead, and that's okay. We want you to get the best from our videos, and we want you to enjoy our videos and do it at your own pace. And if that means you have to speed things up or go a little slower, then by all means do it. Some creators also add chapters, and in order to see if a video has a chapter, check out the description. That's another great way to get to the meat of what you're looking for. And yes, this is not my typical video, but I thought it was an important video to show people some helpful tips that I've learned along the way in watching some tutorials. And some of my videos are going to be long here in the future, and this might be a great way for you guys to jump ahead and see the parts that you really want. And again, have an amazing day, and thank you